Many over-the-counter cold and cough remedies contain compounds that can have side effects and make people really not feel better. Well, as it turns out, there's a recent study on honey that proves that honey is just as effective as one of the main components of these cough and cold remedies, dextromethorphan. Honey used at about a half a teaspoon for children 1 to 5 and a whole teaspoon for people over 5. It helps coat the throat, coat and soothe the throat. It creates salivation that can help thin secretions, and some of the antioxidant effects may help you fight viral infections. So you don't want to use it in children under 1. There's a rare botulism food poisoning that can occur, but it can be very effective for adults and children to suppress cough. It does not have any side effects, and it's very useful. So next time when you've got a cough or cold symptoms, have some honey. It can help relieve your cough and make you feel better. Use humidified air as well. That can thin the secretions. That's a Minute for Health.